Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachael Wanogho, also known as Richie Riches, and if this is your first time on my channel, good to have you here. If you're a returning subscriber, good to have you back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 apps that I use as a starting content creator. And if you are just beginning to get into YouTube, you're just beginning to get into the moment of, okay, branding yourself, this is a video for you. If you're a new content creator, just about to get your feet wet, and all you have is your Android phone, then definitely keep on watching. The number one app is UCut Video Editor. UCut allows you to trim, allows you to split, allows you to add music, and without no watermark. So if you are a beginning content creator, you should definitely check out UCut. You can download it from the App Store and also from the Google Play Store, and it is free. And you can also edit 4K videos. So if you're a beginning content creator, this is an app you should definitely get. You can produce videos for your TikTok, for your Instagram, whatever social media platform that you need, even YouTube. So you should definitely check out UCut and download it. This is an app you will need, especially when you're just tired and you don't even want to edit a video on your system. UCut. The number two app you can definitely check out, I'm sure you know it, is the InShot app. Every content creator should have the InShot app. It also allows you to edit videos and pictures as well. So if you need to put your pictures in sort of like frames or whatsoever, it's just limitless. Of course, if you're using the free version of InShot, you get a watermark, but I mean, if you don't mind the watermark, just the most important thing is that your content is out there. I think that's the most important thing. So that is an app that you should definitely check out. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to do some sort of like tutorial on how to do the app. Use the apps. The next app you should have is a photo editing app. So you should have Visco. When I was starting out as a content creator, the first app I started using was the Visco app, and it also allows you to, you know, give some highlight, give some sort of visual effects. It's pretty cool. But if you do want more effects, then it means you sort of like have to upgrade to a pro version. So if you feel like the free version is just enough for you, you might not necessarily need to upgrade. But if you do want to upgrade, then you should definitely check out Visco. The next app I also suggest is Canva. Canva is like the queen. Canva is like the queen of, you know, producing like visuals for your social media content. For me personally, I use Canva for my YouTube thumbnails. I use Canva for a whole lot of stuff. And you can also upgrade to the pro version if you want to. If you're starting out as a content creator, Canva is your babe. Canva is like your babe, you understand? So Canva is needed. They have thousands of templates on there that you can utilize and use and tweak. I also suggest you have like your theme colors and have it like saved so that anytime you want to edit something on Canva, you're using the same theme, and it basically aligns to the kind of content that you're producing. So definitely get Canva. The next app I'll suggest for you is Lightroom. Lightroom, when Canva is the queen, Lightroom is the king, I think. Okay, well, Lightroom is amazing. Like, Lightroom is so amazing. Like, when I discovered Lightroom, I think my picture editing skills like went from 0 to 50 real quick, and I'm still getting better at it. But if you're a beginning content creator, you should definitely check out Lightroom. Of course, it has a free version, it also has a pro version, but even if you don't want to upgrade, you can decide to like buy presets. You can buy presets from another content creator and probably choose a theme that aligns with yours. Currently, I developed a preset that I use for myself, and I also use a preset that I got from Nikki Presets. I'm going to link his Instagram handle in the description box so that you can also check out the presets and see if it's something that you would like. So there are a lot of other like content creators who have presets that they also sell. I know I Am Yechi has presets. Valerie Egbuniwe has presets. So if you're a Nigerian content creator, you can also check out their own presets as well. Nikki has his own presets, so I'm going to link it in the description box. You can also check it out. So there are thousands of presets. If you don't have the patience of trying to like start up your own journey of looking for presets to use, then you can use any of those content creators presets for your pictures, and your pictures are gonna be looking bomb. Trust me, they're gonna be looking bomb. And it really took me a long while before I could develop my own presets, and I am still on that journey. But I do have like presets that works for my face, and I'm trying to decide on what presets is gonna work for my outside pictures. But anyways, so Lightroom is the king of photo edit. So definitely check out Lightroom if you are a beginning content creator. The next app that I'll suggest for you is actually for Instagram stories. Now these are two different apps, so they perform basically almost the same function. So if you want to up your storytelling game on Instagram stories, you can use Unfold or Mojo. I almost forgot the name. So if you want to up your Instagram stories game, then you can use Unfold or Mojo. So they have like tons of templates that you can use to sort of like combine pictures together, put background, put text, just make it look fancy. So this is an app that you can definitely use as a startup content creator. Be warned though, they do have like some templates that are sold on the app. So like I always say, make sure that you utilize the free version before you decide to buy something, just to make sure that you're getting the effects that you do want from these apps. So try out Unfold or Mojo. They are great for Instagram stories, and even on Canva as well. Canva also has like templates for Instagram stories that you can definitely use, so it's definitely something that you can try. The next app I would like to suggest is for people who want to sort of like video what is on their phone, like just to, I will see if it's possible for me to put like a screenshot of how it works. So if you want to like video your phone video what is going on in your phone whilst you're moving, then this is definitely an app you should check out. It's called Mobizine. So it allows you to screen record your phone. I'm sure there are other apps out there, but this is the one I currently use, and you can definitely upgrade to a pro version if you don't want the watermark there. I still use the free version. Which you're free. I still use the free version, so you can definitely use it as well if you want to. So it's something that if you want to show somebody something and not have to like explain everything, you can just use that app to sort of like screen grab what is going on your phone, and voila, it's done. And the next app I'll also suggest for you is Over. So Over also, I don't really use Over that much because I don't know why, but it's also something you can definitely check out and try. But it's good if you want to like post something on Instagram and you need like templates. It also allows you to use some different templates for different things. So if you want some ideas, you can check on Over and you can definitely like utilize it. Another app, of course, is from Google, and it's called Snapseed. Snapseed also allows you to edit pictures, and if you notice, most of the apps that I've spoken about are for picture editing, like VSCO, like Lightroom, like Snapseed. They're all good for picture editing, and they all perform different functions. I know that some of our favorite YouTubers like Valerie, even Kelechi Bemena, they have like tutorials on how you can utilize these apps. So if these are something that you want to learn, you can definitely visit their channel and check out these apps. And the last but not the least app that I'll recommend for you is Facetune. Facetune is amazing. Like Facetune is what when I discovered the magnitude of Facetune was when I began to appreciate it more. Facetune allows you to sort of like blur out the background of your pictures. If you just want to give some sort of like effects to your pictures, Facetune is like so good. And they have like a new version. So they have Facetune, the old version, and Facetune 2. So I currently use the Facetune 2. So if you are still on Facetune, like the old version, I think you should switch over to Facetune 2. The app is very good for editing pictures as well. I know that Kelechi Bemena and I Am Dodos have like videos on how to make use of these apps to edit pictures, so you can definitely watch their videos and check them out. So those are basically all the apps you as a beginning content creator should definitely have on your device. There are so many, but this video is going to be really long. So if there are more things that you feel like I should talk about, I should share with you, I'll be happy to, especially as a beginning content creator. Let us all support ourselves. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share to somebody who might, you know, need this information and doesn't, or somebody that is basically just starting out as a content creator and doesn't even know what to do. These are apps that will definitely help you. You should have these apps on your phone, and the great part of it is that these apps are free. They are free, at least when you start using them, until you decide to like expand. So thank you so much for sticking with me today on my channel. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drop me a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at RachelRiches, and I will see you in my next video. Subscribe. You can watch any of my videos on the screen. See you. Bye.